Hello, good morning, and today I will discuss the functionality of my final project of this subject. So, first, we'll run our program. So, CMD, and we're going to navigate those files, CD Angular projects, and that's it. And I'll try to run, and then this is my application. So this is our source app, and then we have dashboard, edit employee, uh, employee details list, new employee, and then we'll try to run our project. Let's wait for a few moments. Okay, so our project is running on this local host, so we'll try to navigate that. So okay, so this is my home page, and this is my navigation, which is home, new employee, then employee list, and then this is my records. So first I will discuss my components. So my new components is handle for adding the employee to the list. So I am using Bootstrap framework for the UI, user interface, and then this is my list function, and then this is my details component, employee edit component. So yan, edit component, and then I will demo on how to add employee. So it's either you can navigate this one or this one is workable. Home, 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 or you can click this one. Okay, so first let's add the data. So jump Pedro is age is 45, mail address, city, contact number, and okay, and then position is okay, sorry, graphic design, and office is XR and 45,000. So let's add the employee. So I have added a pop-up alert that says new employee successfully added. Okay, so let's here the last item that we previously added. So we'll try to edit this one. Pedro and Jan. So edit, update. So let's see. Okay, the list is updated, and then I will try to view the details. So Jan is Santos, is a graphic designer from Bigo City. So I have this navigation here, employee, and then we'll try another one, other details. Okay, details, goods, details. So and this is a simple list. And then we'll try to delete this Jandu record. So records is deleted. Okay, next I have provided this action button and alert message if we have to delete someone. So this is a perfect uh, this is a perfect bootstrap framework I am using. So uh, enjoy this this application will I hope I can learn more in in let's say uh, improve this kind of application. So thank you and good morning.